Friday, 28th of March, we return to the Star by Liverpool Street for another action-packed evening of UKG Music Bingo. Once again, we're chucking out the numbers on your grid and replacing them with nothing but pure bangers. That's right, we're taking you way back to the golden era of pay-as-you-go Nokias, French crops and cassettes. Get ready to skank out with DJ Lazybone selecting the finest old school classics and our charismatic host DJ Menace on mic duties. Whether you're a connoisseur or sing-along sister, we've got you covered with a choice combination of dance floor heaters and pirate radio bobblers. As always, there's prizes to be won and an after party until 1 a.m. Tickets just £10 with discounts for group bookings. Better believe this one's set to be another roadblock affair, so secure those tickets now.
No dress code, Machino, Burberry and Nike TNs purely optional.
Be there, be there, be there, be there.